Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, we'll do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus Poco F3 GT. Yes friends, finally I got hands-on with the Poco F3 GT and let's see which phone will be the clear winner in terms of the speed test and in terms of the RAM management. So right now in this kind of test, I did get 10 games collected. As you can see, all these 10 games are completely offline based. So it doesn't require any kind of internet connection. The main reason why I selected this kind of 10 games is because to test which UI is really better in terms of the optimization to store more games in the background. That is what I'm going to test in this video. And one more quick note, all these games are not added into the game turbo or ultra game mode. So that is another thing which I thought of just mentioning you. Let me try to first do the reboot test. Let's see which phone will be able to restart faster. So next test, I'll try to do the applications as well. So this first time I'm doing the speed test. So that's the reason I thought of including the games first. And then I'll try to use the 20 applications and 25 applications, 30 applications, so that the list will go on. So just to see which UI is really optimized for the better kind of RAM management, that is what I'm going to exactly do, is friends. And even if the phone doesn't perform, no problem at all, because no one will be using this kind of 10 games, but there's an intense kind of testing which I'm trying to put on the processor and the UI. To support this kind of 10 games, the phone should be having really good RAM management. Only then the phone will be able to support this kind of 10 games in the background to load. That's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning. I'll try to clear all the background applications and then show you exactly what is the RAM availability. Let me try to clear everything. So all the applications are completely clean in both phones. I'm trying to show you what is the RAM availability before starting the test. Let's see. As you can see friends, I'm not trying to use any kind of external RAM because I turn it off because there is no use about external RAM at all. There is no use at all. So that's the reason I completely disabled only. And 2.63 GB is used and 5.3 GB of 8 GB is available. As you can see, it's exactly the difference between both phones, how much is used and how much is available. Now let me try to clear everything. So yes, absolutely. And in this test, we don't require any kind of Wi-Fi or any kind of mobile data as well. Let me try to turn off everything. So completely in the airplane mode. So now let's get started friends, without wasting any time. Let's see which phone will be the winner in terms of the speed test and in terms of the RAM management. This is going to be epic comparison between Snapdragon 870 versus Dimensity 1200. So let's get started friends with the Subway Surf first game to load. Let's see which game will be loading first. Slightly faster in the iQOO 7 device, little bit. And next is the Candy Crush. And slightly faster in the Poco F3 GT, not bad. And the Getaway 2, let's see this game, which phone. The iQOO 7 loaded the game faster, not bad at all. And all these games are not adding into the game turbo. You did see that friends. So none of the games are opening with the game turbo at all. Not bad. The Poco F3 GT is coming neck to neck to the iQOO 7 device in terms of the opening speed. That's kind of good. So smash it. I do know all these games are really very small games friends. I can definitely understand. It's very small games only, but still that's great. So next speed test, I'll try to do the comparison with the Realme X1 Max. So make sure to stay tuned for this video, Realme X1 Max versus Poco F3 GT. Not bad at all. So in terms of the speed test, really great, the Poco F3 GT, because the Realme X1 Max didn't perform the way the Poco F3 GT is performing in terms of the speed test. I'll try to show you exactly when I compare with the Realme X1 Max, you can definitely understand. So right now, both phones, yes, in this game, the Snapdragon was slightly the winner. And let's see the Angry Birds 2. Sometimes the Angry Birds 2 takes a lot of time in the phone in the Dimensity 1200. Let's see this time which phone. Not bad at all friends. It's really great to see the speed performance. So these are very small. I'll try to include the big games like Battlegrounds Mobile, Call of Duty, Genshin Impact and all the games. That's really great. This game opened first in the Poco F3 GT. So now let's see all these 10 games, which phone can actually store in the background and which phone has got really good UI and RAM management to store all the games completely. As you can see, all the games are completely open. And one more quick note, as soon as I open all the games, you can see the RAM availability, it did not even change. So before it was 5.3 GB of 8 GB is available. Now it's showing 5.2 GB of 8 GB is available. That's kind of something which I thought of just mentioning, why I'm seeing this kind of inconsistency in the RAM. Once after doing everything, I'll try to show you what is the RAM availability in the iQOO 7 device. Let's start the test starting from the last application. So which phone can open most of the games, that is what I'm going to check. And Ilkram Racing, not bad till here, yes. That's really great friends, speed is really good, the Poco F3 GT. The Poco F3 GT did not perform really great in the benchmarks, but this is a realistic situation which I'm trying to do, practical test. So benchmarks is completely one side and the practical test is completely one side. I can totally understand. Even when I'm doing the another benchmark test and everything, I did mention that I need to do more testings on this phone. Only then I can come into the conclusion what is happening with this device. So next is Getaway 2 and not bad, and Candy Crush. That's fantastic. And Subway Surf. That's good. Overall, the Poco F3 GT was able to manage 10 games out of 10 games without any kind of problem. That's really great to see in the Poco F3 GT. So which the Realme X1 Max wasn't able to manage this many games to load. I'll try to do that video so you will be able to understand what is happening. So in next video, I'll try to include 15 games and 5 games, or I'll try to include the applications mainly. I'll try to include applications, don't worry friends. This is only designed for the 10 games just to see which phone can actually store this mini games only. Now let me show you the RAM management, how much it is. 6.2 GBs of 8 GBs available. As you can see, the strange thing in the Poco F3 GT. So not only in this phone, I'm not blaming this phone, but even in the MIUI, which has MI11X as well, same problem. The RAM management, the memory is inconsistent, it's not consistent at all. So sometimes it increases, sometimes it decreases, it keeps on randomly changing. Let me show you what is the RAM availability in this phone. 2.87 GB is used. So I'm not sure to make this phone to utilize full GB, how many applications should I open? I'm not sure exactly friends. Even after opening all these games, still it's saying that only 2.87 GB is used. I'm not sure. As you can see, all the games are completely in the background only. And let me show you again what is the RAM showing. 6.9 GB is available out of 8 GB after opening all the games. So this is a quick comparison friends between both phones, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So I'll be definitely able to help you out to decide which phone to buy, iQOO 7 or Poco F3 GT. So this is the day 1 of using the Poco F3 GT. So very soon I'll try to do in-depth comparison on this phone versus this iQOO 7 device after using for some while. Then I'll be able to come into the conclusions, what is wrong and what is good with this phone, what are the problems, and obviously the connectivity and all those details. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, check the playlist for the Poco F3 GT. Here's the playlist which I have created for the Poco F3 GT users. That playlist will give you the clear idea what is happening with the device. And these are the recently uploaded videos. In case if you want, you can take a look, because you may not get the notifications for each and every video, because every day there is only limit for the 3 videos notification. That is the reason I'm trying to show you the few of the videos which might be helpful for you in case if you miss any kind of video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.